I don't get to be that excited this often, but I'm excited about this. This is my first test with the PSI pen. What is this thing called? Pen blank trimming jig. Might have to look that up. PSI pen blank squaring jig. It's really simple. I'm just gonna attach this to this little tiny sled I had made a while back for my shopsmith bandsaw. So that will slide in this groove. The jig clamps right to it. I could make that permanent later, but for now I'm just going to clamp it right to it. Move together. Double check that this was square. This guide rod is square to the sanding surface. Perfect. Perfect. That should give me a nice square end. There we go. Take the pen blank, slide it over the end, and then that keeps it square. All right, I just noticed that this was a little loose. This is an 8mm tube, 7mm rod. And I just realized, oh, that's a little loose. I remembered that I also have the universal barrel trimming adapter set. So I made a mistake there. I should be popping this open, grabbing the 8mm sleeve that goes over the 7mm rod. 8mm over the 7. Now when I put it on here, it's not going to move. I'm also working on another kit that has a 10mm tube. So I can just go in here, find the 10mm sleeve. It adapts to the 7mm rod. And I can basically take care of a blank with any size tube in just a few seconds. And it's ready to put on the lathe. Hold on for a sneak peek of the final product. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'd sure appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel.